Hey guys, and welcome to React X. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make hydrogen gas from caustic soda and aluminum foil. First, we pour in some sodium hydroxide pellets into our flask. Sodium hydroxide also goes by the name caustic soda. Then we dilute in some distilled water to make a sodium hydroxide solution. Give it a little bit shake to dissolve all the pellets. Then throw in some aluminum foil, and immediately a reaction is going to take place. So basically what is happening is that sodium hydroxide reacts with the aluminum to give out sodium aluminate and hydrogen gas respectively. If you wish to carry out this experiment, make sure to do it in a well-ventilated room or else do it outdoors. And there you have it, folks. We have successfully generated hydrogen gas using sodium hydroxide and aluminum foil.